Well, I figure since we're that far into it, I might as well grab a bit more video. So the last clip had a 2mm cutter going in there and just kicking the guts out of it. Just getting rid of the bulk of the material. So what you can see coming out here now is the base of the pendant. There's the male area over there. So after the 2mm cutter was done, we've changed to a 1mm cutter and a step over of 0.3mm, step down of 1mm, and leaving a skin of 0.1mm. When that's done, we will we'll change to an 0.127 cutter, which is, well, quite small, and that'll put the high detail area in these. That's obviously the front of the pendant facing down there is the locating holes over here. This has still only been roughed with a 2mm, which is why that looks fat. The 1mm is going to come over there just now and clean that all up. Then we're going to go into the thin cutter. So the thin cutters are these fellas over here, because everything comes from America. They've got thou for inches. So let's have a look at the actual tip if I can get off with one hand. Okay, so your cutter tip is, well, it's 0.127mm. It's tiny, 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 tiny. So that's going to go in and do all the finishing in the next pass. So this was the cutter we started with, a 2mm flat end mill, specifically made for cutting plastic. Has only one cutting edge. Then similar cut over here, but just 1mm, so smaller. Let me see if I can get in there and clean that up a bit. Go. Seems to be going quite well. So I'll try and grab a bit more video when the next cutter is doing its thing. Catch you later.